Driving theory test. Question 1. You are driving on a motorway. By mistake, you go past the exit that you wanted to take. You should carefully reverse on the hard shoulder. Carefully reverse in the left-hand lane. Make a U-turn at the next gap in the central reservation. Carry on to the next exit. Time to think. The correct answer is carry on to the next exit. Explanation. It is against the law to reverse. Cross the central reservation or drive against the traffic flow on a motorway. If you have missed your exit, ask yourself if your concentration is fading. It could be that you need to take a rest break before completing your journey. Question 2. Anti-lock brakes may not work as effectively if the road surface is firm, loose, dry, wet. Time to think. The correct answer is loose and wet. Explanation. Poor contact with the road surface could cause one or more of the tires to lose grip on the road. This is more likely to happen when braking in poor weather conditions, when the road surface is uneven or has loose chippings. Question 3. Using front fog lights in clear daylight will flatten the battery, improve your visibility, dazzle other drivers, increase your awareness. Time to think. The correct answer is dazzle other drivers. Explanation. Fog lights can be brighter than normal dipped headlights. If the weather has improved, turn them off to avoid dazzling other road users. Question 4. You have to leave valuables in your car. It would be safer to park near a school entrance, park near a bus stop, lock them out of sight, put them in a carrier bag. Time to think. The correct answer is lock them out of sight. Explanation. If you have to leave valuables in your car, always lock them out of sight. If you can see them, so can a thief. Question 5. Your vehicle has anti-lock brakes, but they may not always prevent skidding. This is most likely to happen when driving at night on unlit roads, on surface water, on loose road surfaces, in foggy conditions. Time to think. Explanation. In very wet weather, water can build up between the tire and the road surface. As a result, your vehicle actually rides on a thin film of water and your tires will not grip the road. Gravel or shingle surfaces also offer less grip and can present problems when braking. An anti-lock braking system may be ineffective in these conditions. Question 6. Which two things would help to keep you alert during a long journey? keeping off the motorways and using country roads, finishing your journey as fast as you can, making regular stops for refreshments, making sure that you get plenty of fresh air. Time to think. Explanation. Make sure that the vehicle you're driving is well ventilated. A warm, stuffy atmosphere will make you feel drowsy. Open a window and turn down the heating. Question 7. What 2 safeguards could you take against fire risk to your vehicle? Carry a fire extinguisher. Keep water levels above maximum. Avoid driving with a full tank of petrol. Check out any strong smell of petrol. Time to think. Explanation. The fuel in your vehicle can be a dangerous fire hazard. Never use a naked flame near the vehicle if you can smell fuel. Smoke when refueling your vehicle. Question 8. You are away from home and have to park your vehicle overnight. Where should you leave it? In a secure car park, opposite another parked vehicle, in a quiet road, opposite a traffic island. Time to think. The correct answer is in a secure car park. Explanation. When leaving your vehicle unattended, use a secure car park whenever possible. Question 9. You are on a wet motorway with surface spray. You should use dipped headlights, rear fog light, side lights, hazard flashers. Time to think. The correct answer is dipped headlights. Explanation. When surface spray reduces visibility switch on your dipped headlights, this will help other road users to see you. Question 10. Anti-lock brakes are most effective when you keep pumping the foot brake to prevent skidding. Apply the handbrake to reduce the stopping distance. Brake promptly and firmly until you have slowed down. Brake normally, but grip the steering wheel tightly. Time to think. The correct answer is brake promptly and firmly until you have slowed down. Explanation. Releasing the brake before you have slowed right down will disable the system. If you have to brake in an emergency, ensure that you keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal until the vehicle has stopped.